Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra, a groundbreaking foldable smartphone. Let's explore its impressive specs and features. The Razr 40 Ultra boasts a stunning 6.9-inch FlexView POLED display with full HD Plus resolution, a 165Hz refresh rate, and HDR10 Plus support for vibrant visuals. Its innovative foldable design seamlessly transforms into a compact size, ensuring portability and durability. Capture stunning photos with the 12MP primary camera and 13MP ultra-wide-angle camera, perfect for a wider perspective. The device features a 3.6-inch QuickView POLED display on the front cover, offering quick access to notifications and music controls. Powered by Qualcomm's 4nm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, it delivers exceptional performance with up to 12GB RAM and 512GB storage. Enjoy all-day usage with the 3800 mAh battery and recharge quickly with 33W fast charging. It also supports 5W wireless charging. Experience a unique user experience with the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra, combining mesmerizing display, powerful performance, versatile camera system, and the convenience of a foldable design.